Why Berlin is so different, then so
because
special?
because it's capital and it's in the middle of Europe, Europe, and the richest land of European. Everyone will get here, and every nationality is coming there, like New York, Chicago, LA. And that history, don't know, but for me it's a big city. But if I look, I was in Istanbul, I was in I see the real big cities. But it's for me, nice, little but sexy, but poor. Very big shit. Really are going crazy. It's different like 20 years before. Things before, but now it's so mixed up. But if you live in one city, every time then you are boring. No motherfucker is coming up.